Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the binding of Isaac. Let's get started in the center of our page with a large oval for the head. So I'm going to start at the very top, and curve around towards the left, and pull it in towards the center. I'm going to work my way back up towards the right side. Now in line with the center of the head, we're going to add two large circles for the eyes. So let's start on the left side. Starting from the top, draw the first circle. Then we'll move over towards the right and draw the same thing. So let's line up the top of the eye. On the top left of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. So we're going to tuck this up against the edge of the eye. Do the same thing on the right side. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw a smaller circle with a smaller highlight. Let's go in and fill the inside of the eye in black. Now in between the eyes and the center, we're going to add the mouth. So let's start on the left side. We're going to curve up and then down on the right. Let's connect those 2 points with another curve, going up and then down. We're going to add the top row of teeth. Stepping down, we're going to go straight across. Now let's add the tongue along the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up and then back down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. We're going to add a small bracket on the outside corner of the mouth. Starting on the left, just draw a little curve on both sides. Then we're going to add the streams of tears coming down. So on the inside of the left eye, we're going to go straight down towards the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's go to the outside. On the left, we'll come straight down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the sides of the body. On the left side, we're going to curve out and then down towards the feet. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the left side, we're going to curve down and then back up. I want to leave a gap in the center. Do the same thing on the right. From the inside, we're going to draw a short angled line going up and then in. Now we're going to overlap those 2 points with a curve for the lower torso, coming down and then back up. Let's finish this off with the arms. So from the top of the body, we're going to step out, we're going to curve out, and then pull that in towards the side of the body. And do the same thing on the right, going out, and then back in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the binding of Isaac. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.